Hey, Coach Greg here, and this is our 15-day Summer Sculpt Series. This is day 6. We are doing a full body burn. We will be using dumbbells, so grab those, grab some water, and let's get started. Alrighty, 30 seconds for each exercise. We are gonna start off with a roll down to reach, so grab your weights of choice. We go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. You're just rolling the weights down, getting your hips to parallel, and then all the way down, and you're coming back up, pushing the ground away with your feet, turning your hands over and reaching overhead as high as you can. Bring the weights down and repeat. Just like that. You can go nice and slow for this first one. It's also okay for your back to be a little, it doesn't have to be as straight. Like once you're here, stay straight and then slowly let the weight take you down and then roll right back up. Press overhead. One more. 3, 2, 1, and done. There you have it. That felt good. Next, we have a squat front raise hold. You could put one weight down. You're just gonna want to have the weight in your hand. You're gonna keep it right in front of you. You're gonna go into a squat, just like so, while keeping that weight extended. 30 seconds, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So we're squatting down, boom, right back up, squat. Go as deep or as shallow as you need. Right here is all you can do. No worries. If you want a seat behind you, feel free. By putting the weight out in front, it forces our abs, our core to take most of the action, if you will. So you're strengthening your glutes, your legs, your arms, and your core. Keep it going. 3, 2, 1. And done. Give yourself a break for a second. We're not done. Next, we have a knee lift with twist. Again, just drop to one weight if you'd like. As you bring one leg up, you're gonna be twisting to that side, back to center. We're gonna be doing a lot of holding out the weight in front of us, but it's a sneaky way to get an arm workout in and a core while working out your legs. So again, it's full body burn. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So up, twist, boom. Just like this. Turn to the side for you. Try to get that knee parallel to the ground. Again, you don't have to do this huge, big twisting motion. Something right here is perfect. And if weights are too much, no worries. Just use your hands. 3, 2, 1, and done. We are cruising. Come on, it's day 6. We're pushing ourselves. Next, we have a lunge back with overhead reach. Again, we're just sticking with the single weights. It makes it a little easier. But if you want to spice it up, use 2. All we're doing is having the weight again. We are going to be stepping back into a lunge. As we step back, we are bringing this weight overhead. Boom, just like this. See if you can at least get it to your ear level when it's overhead. You'll do fine. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Push the ground away with that back foot. Control the weight on the way down. There it is, come on. Get a nice stretch in there. You don't have to go as deep as I am. You can keep it right here. You can keep it right here. Whatever works for you. And breathe. Three, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Last, you can put the weights down. We are gonna do a Pilates swimming. Normally it's on the ground, but we'll be doing it standing. So all you're doing, standing up nice and tall, you're gonna raise one arm, a little past ear length if you can, the opposite leg, point that foot and you're gonna extend back as far as you can, just like this, and then you switch sides. A little swimming motion. You'll see for my example. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So arm up, right? See if you can get it a little below your ear. Then you're bringing that leg back. You're gonna feel it on your glutes. And then you switch sides. For this first set, we can be nice and gentle. This works on your flexibility, your balance, your strength. I'm not even doing it that well because I'm not as flexible, but you get the picture. Boom. Just like that. Nice and controlled. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. First set is done in the bag. Grab some water if you need. If not, we jump into set 2 right now. Roll down to reach. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Three, 2, 1, done. Squat, front raise, hold. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Knee lift with twist. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Lunge back with reach. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Pilates swimming. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Great job, 2 sets down. Come on, 1 more to go. Grab some water, but let's finish strong. We got this. This is day 6, baby. Let's get it. Roll down to reach. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Three, 2, 1, done. Squat, front raise, hold. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, done. Knee lift with twist, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Lunge back with reach, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Pilates swimming, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. And there you have it. That was your full body burn. Give yourself one of these and one of these because you earned it. Thank you so much for joining me on this workout. Tune in tomorrow. We got day 7 coming your way, so do not miss it. Stay on the train. You've been crushing it so far, so keep it going.
Now, we did match this workout challenge with the nutrition challenge, so go ahead and check out the recipe of the day in the description below, and then let me know in the comments what you thought of today's workout.